ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ನ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ICWAI, SAP, ICAI, IAASB, AS, AASB, FCA, LIFO. ಸೊ CWAI ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇನ್ನು ICAI ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. IAASB ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. AS ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್. AASB ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. FCA ಅಂದರೆ ಫೆಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್. LIFO ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಆಡಿಟರ್? An auditor is a qualified professional who independently examines and verifies an organization's financial records to ensure accuracy, compliance with laws and fair presentation, detecting errors or fraud and providing insights for better financial management, often holding certification like CA, CPA. What is management audit? A management audit is a systematic evaluation of a company's management practice, structure, and performance to assess their efficiency, effectiveness, and alignment with overall business goals. What is internal audit? An internal audit is an independent, objective assurance and consulting activity designed to add value and improve an organization's operations. It evaluates the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes, helping business identity weaknesses, prevent fraud, and ensure compliance with policies. What is annual audit? An annual audit is a comprehensive yearly examination of an organization's financial records, transactions, and internal control conducted by an independent third party. Next question, what is a joint audit? A joint audit is the appointment of 2 or more independent audit firms to jointly audit a single entity and produce a shared audit report. What is audit sampling? Audit sampling is an auditor's technique of examination less than 100% of items in a financial population to draw conclusions about the whole, balancing efficiency with audit quality by testing a representative subset for material misstatements, control effectiveness or compliance using statistical or non-statistical methods. What is audit evidence? Information used to form the auditor's opinion. It includes documentation, records, and evidence from inquiry, inspection, observation, and confirmation. What is audit risk? The risk that financial statements contain material misstatements and the auditor fails to detect them. It is a combination of internal risk, control risk, and detection risk. What is audit program? A set of instructions for the audit team listing the procedure to be performed together evidence which helps ensures all areas are covered. What is audit report? An official written document issued by the auditor expressing an opinion on the financial statements such as unqualified, qualified, adverse, or disclaimer of opinion. What is audit fraud? Fraud is auditing involves intentional misrepresentation of financial records to deceive stakeholders. What is audit error? An audit error is a mistake in financial records or the audit process itself, ranging from simple clerical mistakes and incorrect principles application to serious omissions or duplications. What is error of commission? An error of commission is an accounting mistake where a transaction is recorded in the books but with incorrect details such as the wrong amount, wrong account, wrong side posting. What is error of principles? An error of principles is an accounting is a fundamental mistake where a transaction is recorded in the wrong type of account, violating core accounting rules even if the amount and sides are correct, such as treating a long term asset purchase as a short term expense. What is voucher or what is vouching in account? Audit. Vouching is auditing in the detailed examination of documentary evidence or vouchers to support and verify the authority, accuracy and authorization of business transactions recorded in the books of accounts. What is window dressing? In auditing, window dressing is the unethical practice by management of manipulating financial statements just before reporting to present a more favorable financial pictures than reality, often by altering transactions timing or asset valuation to attract investors, secure loans, meet performance targets, which auditors look for a potential misstatements. What is verification of asset? Asset verification in auditing is auditor's process of confirming an entity assets by checking their existence, ownership, proper valuation and conditions, ensuring they are accurately presented and exit at the balance sheet date using physical checks, documentation review and external confirmation of build trust financial statements. What is audit materiality? Materiality in auditing is the threshold for errors in financial statements that are significant enough to influence the economic decisions of users like investors, creditors, guiding auditors on what to focus on, with smaller qualitative issues also being material if they affect integrity or compliance. State two types of vouchers: credit receipt voucher, debit payment voucher. State two types of audit report: unqualified report, modified report. State two types of internal control: preventive control, detective control. State 4 essential of a good audit report: objectivity and accuracy, clarity and simplicity, relevance and materiality, constructive recommendations. So these are the important 2 marks question. We will discuss 5 marks and 10 marks questions in next video. Thank you.